Hello. In this video, I will show you on how to convert quotation to sales order to delivery order, and sales invoice. Also, I will show you on how to create credit note and do the knockoff or official receipt. This is orders page, where you can open it by click on menu. Then proceed to inventory. Then click on order. Next. At this order type, click the drop down button, and choose quotation. Then click show orders to view the quotation list. To create new order, click at create new button. New order windows will show. Select the location where the stock come from. Make sure you choose the correct location code. Select company, you can click your drop down button. The order number here is set by auto. Select the order, and delivery date. PO or reference number here is optional for you to key in. Then, click OK when complete, key in the order details. Next. The quotation page will appear. Firstly, you need to choose the stock location here. For example, we choose warehouse location. Then, at descriptions here you need to select the items, or stock you want. You can use item filter here. For example, we type, drinks. Then press enter on your keyboard. It will appear items with text drink. Also you can see the current stock quantity in the selected location here. Choose item you want. Then, enter the quantity for the selected item. For example, we enter 50 quantity. And enter the amount. You can repeat the same steps, from choose the location, until enter the amount for the next item. If you have non-stock item, you can directly type it at the description here. For non-stock item, you need to choose non-stock location, or you also can tick non-stock here if you use stock location. For example, we type service charge. Enter the quantity, and amount. If you have wrong item, and want to delete it, select the item line you want to delete, then click this X delete button. It will delete the selected item line. When complete, click Save button, and if you want to print the report, you can click this Print button. As you can see at stock status here, it show available. Means that you have enough stock to proceed. If not enough stock, it will show insufficient stock. You can click at the words to view the stock details. After the order have been saved and created, higher level user that can approve the order, will approve the order before convert it to sales order. To approve the order, you need to click this approve button. Wait for a moment for the transaction approved. After the order approved, only super user can directly modify the order. Normal user need permission from super user to unapproved and modify the order. If you want to cancel the sales request, you can click this cancel button. Then, you need to choose reason why that order cancel. Next. To convert the quotation to sales order, click show orders button to refresh this page. Then, click this sales order button. The message convert to sales order will appear, then click OK if you confirm. Then, quotation now will appear at sales order type. Now, to view the sales order we just converted, at order type here, you choose sales order. Then, click show orders to view the sales order list. You can see the sales order that we just converted from quotation here. If you want to know this sales order from which quotation, you can move the page to the right. You will see for order ID column, where it show the quotation ID. You also can use order number filter here, to filter by order ID. For example, make the order type empty first, and enter the quotation order ID here. Then, click show order button to apply the filter. It will show the quotation and sales orders. Means that, this sales order is from this quotation. And the quotation will auto-closed. To view the sales order, and check the order details, you can click this details tab. Here, you can check, and modify it if needed. If you want to print the sales order, you can click this print button. Next. To convert the selected sales order to delivery order, you need to click this process tab. This process tab is used for you to directly convert the selected sales order to delivery order one by one, or directly convert it to sales invoice. If you want to convert multiple sales order into one delivery order, you can create it at New Data Entries page. For this tutorial, we will use this process tab, and created the delivery order based on this selected sales order. Now, select the customer DO template here. Then, click on Create New Document. The order details will auto-generate to delivery order template. Wait for the details to load, where it will capture the items and infos from the selected sales order. After it loads, you can see the details here, is taken from the order we selected. If you deliver partial quantity, you can amend the quantity here, based on actual quantity you want to deliver. Now, choose the document date, and the delivery order document number is set to auto-generate by system. After you checked all the details are correct, you need to click this Finish button to finalize the document. Then, system will generate the document preview. You can print it if you want to. After you created the delivery order document, stock item will deduct from your stock list. At stock list page here, you will see the current stock quantity you have. For example, we copy this item code from the delivery order document, and we paste it filter item here. Then, click warehouse location here to apply filter, because we choose warehouse location when we create quotation and delivery order. Then, the stock item will appear. Please note that, you need to tick show by lots to view stock with more details. Where you can see here, it show the current stock balance. If you drag to the right, you will see how many stock in and out. Next, to convert delivery order to sales invoice, you need go to this New Data Entries page. Select this sales invoice template, then click this Create New Document button. It will open the sales invoice template. First, choose the customer name here. It must follow the delivery order customer you want to convert. Then, click this Delivery button. Will appear Select Delivery screen. You can filter date, items, or by delivery order document number. If you want to view all, just leave it blank. Then, click Documents button to apply the filter. It will appear Outstanding delivery order that not convert to sales invoice yet. Then, tick Select at delivery order you want convert to sales invoice. You also can create sales invoice with multiple delivery order, where you just tick and choose delivery order you want convert in the same sales invoice. If you want to view the delivery order details, you can click this View Document button, where it will preview the selected delivery order document. Then, click Select and Continue button. It will auto-generate the details based on delivery order document selected, where it show the items, quantity, and price. Then, choose the document date, and the invoice number is set to auto-generate by system. After you checked all the details are correct, you need to click this Finish button to finalize the document. Then, system will generate the document preview. Next, if you give credit note to your customer, how to created it. In this same New Data Entries page, you open this Credit Note, Debit Note folder. Then, select Credit Note Debtors template. Click Create New Document button here, to open the template. Firstly, you need to choose the document date by click at this small calendar. Then, you need to choose customer name. At name here, you can filter your supplier name. For example, we type Condors, then press Enter on your keyboard to apply the filter. It will appear partner name with that text, and choose customer name you want. Then, credit note number will auto-generate by system. Now, at details here, you need to choose the account. You can use filter here to filter the account code. For example, we type credit note, then press Enter on your keyboard to apply the filter. It will appear account code with that text, and choose account code you want. At descriptions here, you can type the credit note details or description. Then, enter the amount here. Please note that, credit note you must enter negative amount. All credit note you create must enter negative amount. If credit note already paid, you can enter the payment details at payment info here. If you not paid yet, you need to ignore this payment info. After you checked all the details are correct, you need to click this finish button to finalize the document. Next, I will show you on how to create official receipt and knock off the sales invoice, or any outstanding document. In this same new data entries page, you open debtors collection folder. As you can see, there are 3 types of collection that can be made. First one is collection by check. Second one is collection by e-banking. Third one is collection by cash. For this tutorial, we use this collection by checks template. To make a collection, you must either double-click on the collection template, or click at the Create New Document. Firstly, click and select the checkbook. If you have one check account only, this selection will not show here, because it will directly use that one check account you have. Secondly, click this small calendar to select the document date. You can click the small calendar to fill in the check clearance date here, if required. Thirdly, key in the check number. Fourthly, you have to select the customer. At filter here, you can filter your supplier name. For example, we type Condors, then press enter on your keyboard to apply the filter. It will appear partner name with that text, and choose customer name you want. Then, at below here, you can see the outstanding document for the selected customer will appear. If you want to knock off the document, you have to tick paid here, where it will knock off the full amount, based on the selected document. But, if you want to pay in certain amount, or in partial, you can change the amount in this paid amount column. If you're going to pay once a while with a big amount, you can key in the amount here. For example, we enter 2,000 here. Then, click Show Invoice button here. As you can see, it will search the outstanding document, and tick as paid at document, where the paid amount will match the amount you enter here. For this tutorial, we will do the knockoff manually. First, you need to clear amount you enter here, then click this Show Invoice button again to refresh it. Then, tick paid at this invoice, also with this credit note, where it will knock off the full amount for the selected document. Then, click this Finish button to finalize the document. System will generate the document preview. Next, I will show you where can view back the created document, and how is the account entries. All the documents created, you can view it at this General Journal page. This is where you can view and review all accounting transactions ever posted. At Document Filter here, you can filter records by text in document type, document no, document second number or ref document number field. Account here, you can filter records to show only account you choose on debit or on credit field. The text filter here, to filter by text in explanation, remarks, or company field. Amount here, to filter record by amount or amount range. Next, in Tree View, click on icon or folder to filter records accordingly. For example, All Records searches all records. New Document search documents which not yet validated. Validated document search by validated documents. For this tutorial, we open this new document folder. As you can see, these are the new documents we created just now. Delivery order, sales invoice, credit note, and official receipt document. If you want to preview, or reprint the selected document, you can click this View Document button. Then, the report will appear. If you want to modify inventory document, like this sales invoice, you need to click this Revalidate button. When you click this button, it will send it to new data entries so that you can modify it by the user you choose. I hope this video will help you on the process flow from convert quotation to sales order to delivery order, and sales invoice. Also, on how to create credit note and official receipt. If you have any question on this, kindly raise technical support us, by click this support request button. Thank you for watching this videos.